Pennsylvania, renowned for its rich culture and historical importance, harbors a hidden realm where folklore and the supernatural intertwine. These are not mere tales of campfire stories but accounts infused with dread, horror, and enigma. Embark on a journey through the heart of Pennsylvania's most gothic and spine-chilling myths, delving into the stories of 5 mythical beings as eerie as the state's shadowy forests and abandoned mines. Be prepared to unveil the terrifying truths behind these haunting legends, but tread cautiously, for you may not emerge unscathed from this encounter with the unknown. In the heart of Pennsylvania, where the Susquehanna River flows through dense forests, tales of the Susquehanna sea serpent have been passed down through generations. Locals speak of a monstrous creature with obsidian scales and glowing amber eyes, emerging from the river's depths on foggy nights, striking fear into the hearts of fishermen. Eyewitnesses describe its massive size, likening it to a moving shadow beneath the water. One harrowing account tells of a boater who came face to face with the serpent, its twisted horns cutting through the mist as it let out a spine-chilling roar. The man narrowly escaped, but the memory of the serpent's growl haunts him to this day. Is this creature a relic from prehistoric times, or a malevolent being lurking in the depths? Deep within York County lies the infamous legend of the 7 Gates of Hell, a mysterious and feared sight. Rumored to be cursed, those brave enough to approach often speak of encountering the dreaded 7 Gates beast. This monstrous entity roams the surrounding woods, acting as a protector of the gates and a forewarning of imminent danger for any who dare to venture too close. Its piercing red eyes have been witnessed peering out from the shadows, seeming to possess an unsettling level of awareness. In one spine-chilling recount, a group of adventurers claimed to have heard menacing growls before catching sight of the beast skulking through the trees. With a bone-chilling howl, the creature disappeared into the night, leaving behind deep claw marks etched into the bark of the surrounding trees. Many believe that this creature is a physical embodiment of the area's dark history and the malevolent energies that linger there. The Keystone Gargoyle stands guard over Pennsylvania's historic sites, perched atop forgotten churches and crumbling ruins. Legend has it that this living statue comes to life at night, spreading its massive wings and prowling the streets. A historian once claimed to have encountered the gargoyle while restoring a church in Lancaster County. Locals believe the gargoyle punishes those who disrespect the sacred grounds, ensuring the preservation of Pennsylvania's Gothic history. In the mist-shrouded depths of the Allegheny Mountains, lurks a sinister presence known as the Allegheny Shadow Stalker. This enigmatic figure, cloaked in shifting darkness, is said to haunt the dense forests, preying upon unwary travelers who venture too far from the safety of civilization. With its form nearly invisible until it's too late, the Shadow Stalker strikes fear into the hearts of those who cross its path. Campers have described feeling an overwhelming sense of dread as the entity draws near, its piercing white eyes glowing in the darkness. The air turns icy cold, and the shadows seem to writhe and twist, enveloping everything in their reach. In one harrowing account, a hiker narrowly escaped the clutches of the Shadow Stalker, but not without bearing deep claw marks on his back as a chilling reminder of the encounter. It is a warning that echoes through the ages. Beware the Allegheny forest after dusk, for the Shadow Stalker awaits. In the abandoned coal mines of Pennsylvania, the wail of the coal mine banshee can be heard echoing through the tunnels. Miners once spoke of the banshee as a harbinger of death, appearing to warn of impending cave-ins and disasters. Her translucent, decayed form haunts the tunnels, her green glowing eyes piercing the pitch-black darkness. A retired miner recounted a harrowing encounter with the banshee. While exploring an old shaft, he heard her haunting wail and saw her spectral figure drifting through the air. Frozen with fear, he watched as the banshee raised her skeletal hand and pointed toward a collapsing beam. He fled just as the shaft caved in, convinced the banshee had saved his life in her own eerie way. Pennsylvania's folklore is rich with tales of mythical creatures that have become deeply ingrained in the state's history, adding to its mysterious charm. From the legendary river monsters lurking in the depths to the spine-chilling spectral beings haunting the forests, each myth paints a vivid picture of the fear and fascination that surround the unknown. These stories serve as a poignant reminder of the blurred line between reality and myth, illustrating the enduring power of storytelling in preserving the supernatural. Were you captivated by the list of creatures mentioned? Is there a mysterious entity that we overlooked? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback is highly valued. Thank you for taking the time to delve into these intriguing legends.